the chest press. My band is hooked up to my door anchor. It's in between the top and the middle hinges. I'm going to spin around, face away from my anchor. One leg forward. This back foot is slightly turned out so my heel is not up. I'm on a staggered stance. The band is above my forearms. Lean slightly into the wind forward, push and hold, bring it back apart. Slight knuckle bend, pull it back apart. This is the chest press. You have the option, if your shoulders are bugging you, turn your thumbs up and do your chest press this way, close to your body. You choose what is going to work best for you. Now on form, your eyes and hips are forward, your chest is forward, so I don't want you way down here doing your chest press. I want a straight line from your head to your butt. The chest press resistance band, I'm using 20.